Hello, and welcome to Planet Theta. This is a quick tutorial to help you get started in the VR dating world. Our first step is to download the Steam application off the store.steampowered.com website. Once Steam is downloaded and properly installed, the next step is to navigate to the Steam store and then enter into the search bar Planet Theta. After finding the Planet Theta store page, simply scroll down until you see the Request Access button for our playtest. Just click on the button, and as long as you have a valid Steam account, you'll have no problem being accepted into Planet Theta. Once you've requested access, installing the game is pretty easy. Navigate to your Steam library page and enter into the search bar Planet Theta, similar to how we did in the store page. Once you find our application inside of your Steam library, just click on the Install button as shown, and the installation will commence. If using Oculus Link to play the app, please remember to enable apps from unknown sources in your Oculus dashboard. Great! Now that our app is installed, we can click on the Play button found in the same spot as the Install button in order to start Planet Theta for the first time. The first thing you'll notice when you get into Planet Theta is that on the TV in front of you, there should be a PIN code along with a button that you can click that will provide you the link for our website and account creation process. Now that we're on the Planet Theta website, we can click on the Create New Account button in order to start the process of creating our account. Here you'll be prompted to answer questions about yourself, such as your date of birth and other information like your name. Once you enter in all the right information for your account, you can click on the Register button in order to move on to the next part of our process, which is avatar creation. Here, you can choose to provide a photo for Ready Player Me to generate an avatar off of, or you can choose to get creative with the tools they provide in order to create your own custom experience. After you're done playing around with the avatar editor, you'll be directed towards your profile page. Here, we can edit a lot of important things about ourselves, such as our dating preference, nickname, or other qualities. But most importantly for now, we can access the link in which we can enter the PIN provided by the television in our application. Once we get to this page, just enter in the PIN provided by the TV in your room, and your account will be activated, and you'll be ready to get started in Planet Theta. Just open the application back up, and you'll know it's working if you can see Aaron's bar on the screen. We hope you enjoy our world, and thanks for joining us in Planet Theta.